is turning cool. Going down.
No.
Why do you
That looks
react
so
like
weird.
that to everything?
Look at that divot.
That's awesome.
And the water's like flowing like crazy over here.
Wow, look, some four-wheeler came down this bank right here.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
By the way, we need to go that way.
Well, why are you going this way?
Just see what's this way and then turn around.
Oh my gosh. Are you trying to get us stuck? Is this your goal?
No.
Saphir's freaking out.
Saphir always freaks out.
This is not the way.
Oh, this is the house. There's like a mailbox.
It's sure as a beaver house.
It's a beaver house,
A
huh?
beaver house.
Yeah, it has sticks.
It does have lots of sticks. Looks like a beaver dam, you're right.
I mean, somebody been there because I saw somebody's thing or something.
A mailbox?
No, I saw something. It was all by itself. It didn't have
So here
any houses.
you can show them that someone
Yeah,
came down this hill.
Someone apparently drove down that hill right there. And then if you look at all this, it's like, oh my gosh, why are you driving in it? There's like a, oh my.
It's starting to get fishier
Yeah,
because this is like a new road now. It's not even.
yeah, I don't like this.
I do. If you don't like it, then
Man, if
you
these
like it.
people like don't have like four-wheel drive cars, then that could be dangerous for them to live here.
I think a two-wheel drive car could make it easily on this.
Well, if it gotten much worse than this, it could.
It's all about traction.
Nope.
Do you have traction or not?
Because Mommy doesn't like it. This wasn't
Well, that was a short adventure. What did you guys think of that adventure?
not
Not
good.
over yet. We have to go straight.
Oh boy.
Again, Daddy.
Okay, here we go.
No, I don't want to do it again.
We're not doing it again. We're going forward. We have to get to the main road. This is a shortcut.
Why is that good?
Why is it a shortcut?
Yeah.
Well, because I saw a road that
It's not a shortcut, it's a long cut.
It's a shortcut. I saw a road that would take us to where we needed to go that happened to not be paved.
That made you excited, huh?
Yes, it made me so excited. All right, now we're back on the pavement.
Okay.
Could take this other turn up here though if we wanted to.
No.
Our windshield wipers don't squeak anymore either. Yay!